welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you myths in this game. I don't know what it's called, but it's gonna be in the title. So first is customize center. You customize your car, performance, blah blah. I'm gonna max out my engine. Damn! My car came with twin turbo. I didn't know my car came with twin turbo. My car literally came with a twin turbo. So today, that's the first myth. Second myth is, if you did not know, there is bro, I just upgraded my engine and my paint and so if you did not know, it just spawned snowmen and you have to look for snowmen around the map. And they give you $750. I mean $7,500. So, and another myth is, if you do not know, you can go down here to maps. Maps. Another one is, there's like tasks on the side, and you could get some money for logging in, a rewarded video for $25,000, like a login every day. And if you didn't know, also you could go to spawn. That's how you select. First of all, it's like, okay, here's all the cars. You could go to the top. It's like game passes, miles, blah, blah, blah. And then here, the last one for owned. That's for unknown. And that's for favorites. I don't know how to favorite. And we are and there is a highway. Okay, the highway. We are going to go to the highway and I'm gonna show y'all. It gives you one. How did I just get all this money? I gotta get better brakes. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta get better brakes. Let's do this since you guys could probably hear me doing this. And not this. Okay. It's fine if I'm not driving. Performance, brakes. I don't care. I'm getting the best brake. Turbo. Okay, I need more money. Oh, 12 out of 25 snowmen. Oh no. Yeah, top is the screen over here. The top, it tells you. Still, the brakes are not good. What are those brakes? I'm mad, on the car. All cars have this, but you can see your speed limit on the screen. But if you go, some cars, you have this, and this. Some cars don't have the one I'm in right now. Wait a minute. Okay. get on the highway. Yeah. See you later, Yeah, see you later, little bro. Little bro. Later, bro. See how I'm already at 30,000 now. We're gonna. Alright, thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe and just subscribe yourself. And shout out to my cousin Nicholas. He's watching my videos. He said he was. And yeah. Thanks to everyone else for watching. If you comment your username, your Roblox username, I might try to get you on a video. I don't know. I'm not gonna call you on Discord or anything. Well, I don't think I will. But yeah. Yo, later. Hope you have a great day. Well, it depends what day it is. So great. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, I said great Sunday. So great Sunday, great Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's that. If you're watching it on a Monday, it's gonna be Monday soon.